Hi, I'm Brady Huff, authorized installer for Witt lining systems. One of the many benefits of a Witt drop-in liner is that it is relatively easy to install. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a drop-in liner. Because a Witt liner isn't bonded to the tank can be made of any material, provided it is strong enough to support the weight of the liner and the solution. In this case, the tank is made of wood. With any tank, you will want to be sure that there are no sharp edges or protrusions that could damage the liner. If so, you will want to remove them prior to installing the tank liner. Before removing the liner from its shipping carton, please be sure to follow the instructions included with the liner. Most important, be sure to warm the liner up to 70 degrees before removing. This will help to prevent cold cracking of the liner. If you ordered Wittclips, they will be in a small cardboard box. Also included are some scrap pieces should a repair ever be necessary. With the liner at temperature, remove from the shipping carton. As you can see, a Witt liner will have horizontal and vertical creases that will match up with the corners of the tank wall. These creases help ensure a proper fit. For shipping purposes, we ship the liner with the bottom folded in, which pushes the sidewalls out. This will be addressed during the installation. On small liners like this, it is often easier to unfold the liner outside the tank. On larger liners, we would utilize the help of an overhead hoist and spreader beam. With the liner unfolded, place the liner in the tank and begin to align the seams of the liner with the corners of the tank. Once the liner is in the tank, the next step is to get the liner properly positioned. The crease line on the liner should align with the top flange of the tank. Once in position, temporarily put a couple of Wittclips on the liner to hold it in position. See how the corner of the liner fits snugly into the corner of the tank. This is the type of fit we are looking for. At the other end of the tank, we don't quite have the liner completely in place yet. Pull up on the liner and towards the middle of the tank while applying pressure on the corner to get the liner properly positioned. With the liner in position, you can finish the installation using the Wittclips. If the liner is not in place, filling it with solution will not move the liner. You need to physically push the liner into position. As you can see, installing a tank liner is not difficult. Professional turnkey installation is also available. Again, I'm Brady Huff with Witt Lining Systems. Thanks for watching this video.